I will avoid all the boring beginning statements and tell you what to expect from this video. This video is about how to download software for your PC. The sad fact is that I can't give you the link in description, because then this video might be deleted. But if you watch this video, you will know how to navigate to this site and download the software with installation guide. Wait, are you thinking of torrenting? No. It's not torrenting. So let's start. Navigate to google.com and do a search like this. And navigate to the top site with this URL. And you are there. But it's not all. In here you can find many softwares for your Windows machine. Go through and explore from the categories to search feature. Remember the installation guide that I was talking about before. To find installation guide, click the software you want Navigato to bottom. That's where you will find that also. Wait. This is also not all. What if you can't find the software you are looking for in here? That's where my second favorite place to get software is coming. Open the google.com and do a Google search like this. Navigate to this link and yes, you are there. These both sites are similar and it's my personal favorite. You could go and download it from elsewhere. But downloads from these two places are virus-free and free of cost. You don't want to infect your PC with a virus and need to format your PC like I did. If you are interested in tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscription button below to get notified for all other tutorials. Thanks for watching.